With Jackoboard construction boards, Jackon Insulation provides innovative, versatile solutions for personalized interior architecture. With its core of extruded polystyrene foam, finished with a special coating on both sides, Jackoboard construction boards have become an essential feature of creative interior design. Whether in new buildings or for renovation, thanks to their water-resistant qualities, Jackoboard construction boards are particularly suitable for use in kitchen, bathroom and spa areas. With Jackoboard shower elements and construction boards, floor-level, barrier-free showers can be constructed quickly and easily. Tiles can be laid directly onto Jackoboard shower elements and give the shower area a very personal touch. In addition to the wide range of different shower elements, the channel drain element is a special eye-catcher. Several drain systems are available for Jackoboard shower elements. The Jackoboard shower element set includes a shower element, a drain system, a stainless steel grate, installation instructions and all other equipment needed for installation. First, the floor drain is inserted into the existing drain pipe, which is already on site. When doing this, take care that the drain outlet is adjusted to the correct height. The cavity in the floor is filled out with a levelling screed or levelling filling, bound with cement and level off about 43 to 45 millimeters under the level of the screed. This corresponds to the thickness of a shower element plus the cement adhesive. As an alternative to levelling screed, Jackoboard base frames are available. Compared to levelling screed, they make quick, simple installation possible as they eliminate lengthy hardening times. Additionally, the base frame ensures that the drain is positioned correctly and sits securely. The base frame is completely pasted with cement adhesive. Insert a sealing washer and put tile adhesive onto the base frame and then onto the screed. Then the floor drain is firmly screwed onto the shower unit. After the insert ring is inserted, the top piece for the stainless steel grate must be trimmed so that the grate lies flush with the tiles. Seal the butt joints with Jackoboard sealing tape. Cut the sealing tape to the required lengths and attach with tile adhesive. Sealing tape should also be used on the joints and intersections of the Jackoboard construction boards in the shower area. With the Jackoboard channel drain element, the water runs down a slight incline into a steel channel. The installation is similar to the installation of the Jackoboard shower element. Push the floor drain onto the sealing washer with retaining ring until it clicks into place. Then the floor drain is inserted into the existing drain pipe, adjusted to the correct height. There is also a base frame for the channel drain element available. If levelling screed is used, a special cover plate makes it easier to achieve an even finish and protects the drain outlet from any loose bits of mortar. When the channel drain element is fitted, push the drain system into the floor drain to ensure that there are no leaks between the floor drain and the channel drain. All butt joints must be carefully sealed using Jackoboard sealing tape combined with tile adhesive, particularly in the area of the channel drain. When the tiles are laid, create a slight crossfall between the wall and channel drain. In addition to its wide range of shower elements, Jackon Insulation also offers a selection of stainless steel grates in a variety of designs and sizes. Jackoboard shower elements. Easy to assemble, easy to clean and maintain. Jackoboard, for your own versatile and distinctive bathroom design.